In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Volumetric Toolkit in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you're using the Pro version or higher, since some indicators and tools work best, or only, on the paid plans. Once you're on your chart, look near the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located on the main toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and manage all the tools you add to your charts. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly inside that search box so you can start typing. This search field is powerful because it lets you quickly find specific indicators without scrolling through long lists or categories. Now, in the search box, start typing Volumetric Toolkit. As you type, TradingView will narrow down the results and show you anything that matches what you've entered. Make sure you spell it correctly and give it a second to load the results. When you see Volumetric Toolkit appear in the list, that's the indicator you want to add. Once you've located Volumetric Toolkit, simply click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically apply it to the chart you have open. You should see the new visual elements or data from the toolkit appear right away. If it doesn't show up immediately, double check that you clicked it and confirm that you're on a compatible chart and time frame. After it's added, you can usually fine-tune the settings. To do that, hover over the Volumetric Toolkit name in the chart area, then click on the settings icon next to it. Here, you can adjust things like colors, visibility, and any specific parameters that the toolkit offers. Take a moment to tweak these settings so the information is easy for you to read and aligns with your trading style. If you're not on TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock the full experience with tools like Volumetric Toolkit, check out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you an easy way to get started with the Pro plan. And that's all you need to add Volumetric Toolkit in TradingView Pro and have it ready on your charts.